Hey YouTube, it's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this super quick and easy ninja bun protective hairstyle. And you guys, before I actually get into the hairstyle, I am going to grab a water bottle to wet the base of my hair. And you guys, do not be afraid to go ham with the water, especially if you have very thick, coarse hair like myself. My hair needs lots of moisture, so I like to saturate my hair, the base of my hair, in water, so that way when I apply the gel, it goes on as smooth as possible. And for today's ninja bun hairstyle, I am going to be using the Edge Booster Gel. Now, this is my first time using the Edge Booster Styling Gel, so I am a little skeptical about how it's going to perform. I typically use the Eco Styler Gel when I do my slick down hairstyles, but the Edge Booster Styling Gel does say that it has a very extreme, strong super hold, so I'm definitely going to put that to the test in this video today. I also did pick up the strawberry scent, so I am definitely excited to see how this product smells. But you guys, the packaging on this product did confuse me a little bit. I felt like it had like a childproof locking system on it because the top was kind of weird to get off. Alright y'all, so now it's time to slick our hair up, and you guys, I am going to be using almost half the jar. Okay, that's a little over exaggerating, but I'm definitely going to be using a lot of this gel to slick my hair up. Like I've always mentioned, y'all, my hair is super thick, and it soaks up product. It doesn't matter what it is, it always soaks it up. So definitely know your hair type when it comes to using products, but I'm not shy when it comes to using gel, so I'm definitely going to use a lot to slick my hair up. And I'm also going to be using a hard bristle brush to help smooth my hair out even more. You guys, the reason why I'm putting so much emphasis on this step, because it is the most important step. It is the foundation to this whole hairstyle. And I know the hairstyle seems pretty easy, but you guys, if you don't get this slick down right, I'm telling you, your bun is going to look crazy. So definitely take your time when you're slicking your hair up. And also, give me a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video thus far, and also drop me a comment down below of what other products that you guys use when you are doing slick down hairstyles. Okay, you all, so now I'm going to be using a headband, yes, a headband, to actually get my hair into a ponytail. I don't know what it is, like my hair just has a love-hate relationship when it comes to scrunchies, so I'm always using headbands to actually put my hair into a ponytail. Now that you have your ponytail secured and in place, you want to go ahead and braid the remaining section of your ponytail. Now I'm actually splitting my hair into two ponytails just so that way I can make my bun as small as possible underneath the ninja bun. And also another tip that I would suggest to actually making this a more protective hairstyle is applying some leave-in conditioner and some oil to the actual hair that is left in the ponytail, so that way that hair is nice and moisturized throughout the entire time that you're wearing this hairstyle. And I also would suggest lightly spraying some leave-in conditioner on the base of your ponytail before you actually go in with the gel. Now I'm just going to wrap those two pieces around each other to create a nice bun to secure the base of my ponytail. And you guys, to actually create my ninja bun, I'm going to be using some regular braiding hair, and all I'm doing to attach the braiding hair to my head is using a scrunchie that actually came in the braiding pack. And you guys, all you have to do is simply twist the braiding hair around your bun until you get the desired shape and size that you want. And just one thing to let you guys know, the tighter that you twist your bun, the more tension that's going to be pulling on your head. So if you definitely want to be able to wear this style like for a few days, definitely keep that in mind. The tighter you twist your bun, the more tension it is going to be on your hair, and the looser you twist it, the less tension you'll have. And also, the tighter you twist your bun, the higher it will be, and the looser you twist your bun, it'll be kind of like a regular size. So just keep those things in mind when you're actually twisting your bun. But you guys, this definitely took me like 2 or 3 times to do just until I got it right for camera. So don't think that I did this like all in one setting. Like, it really took a little while. Oh no, I could not complete this hairstyle without any baby hairs. Like, come on now, this look deserves some baby hairs. And today I'm going to be using my favorite, all-time favorite edge control, the Ebin hair control, edge control. And you guys, I will link everything down below that I am using in this video. So make sure you check out the description box down below. All right, y'all, so I had to pick up these super cute chopsticks from the beauty supply store. I am going to try to find some like these to link in the description box. But you guys, this literally took this hairstyle from like a 6 to a 10, okay? Like, y'all probably are going to get tired of seeing chopsticks, because these are literally about to be like my new favorite signature piece when it comes to my hairstyles. But y'all, like, y'all just let me know in the comments what y'all think about this look, okay? Just let me know. And you guys, that is all for this quick and easy protective hairstyle tutorial. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will see y'all in the next video.